What is up, Jump with Chill Nation? It's your boy, DJ Buff Beats, here to teach you the fundamentals of beatboxing. First, we're going to learn 3 bass sounds that will help you become a beginner at beatboxing. The first sound is the bass drum. The bass drum, all we're going to do is make the B sound, which is like buh, buh, buh. Except we're going to push really hard with our lips and emphasize it. So slowly go buh, 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 buh. And you start to hear that. Right there, that's where you want to start saying that B sound, but really pushing the air out extremely hard. And it should start to sound something like this. And then you can make your own little beats to it. Our second sound is going to be our hi-hat. That is the cymbal at the top of the drums. And basically just for that, we're going to make a T sound, but make it real high pitched, like basically push your tongue to the top of your mouth and just make that. Third and final sound is our snare drum. Now basically you just want to make a K or C sound from words like cat, count, and do you hear that C in there? That's your snare drum right there. So practice that. Go. Now that you know your 3 bass sounds, I want you to practice those sounds. Practice them 10 times in a row, 3 different times. So 3 sets of 10. First, start with your bass drum, your B, and just go slowly. Go boom, boom, boom. Do that 10 times. After that, move on to your hi-hat, your T, and just go tss, tss, tss. Really emphasize those noises. And lastly, your snare drum, your K. Do 3 sets of 10 for each of those sounds. And remember, just have fun with it. If you mess up, keep trying. One day, you're going to be great like me. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Peace out. Rock your body right.